Imagine waking up, already knowing the 3 simple things that will make today a win. No chaos, no endless to-do list, just clear, realistic daily goals that fit your real life, not a fantasy version of you. The secret is to start tiny. Instead of get in shape, choose walk 10 minutes after lunch. Your brain loves easy wins. When you succeed today, you feel motivated to try a bit more tomorrow. Make your daily goals specific and visible. Swap "be productive" for "write for 15 minutes" or "clean one shelf." Clear goals tell your brain exactly where to point your energy instead of wandering all day. Check your real schedule, not your ideal schedule. Look at work, family, and rest. Then ask, what can I honestly handle today? A realistic plan beats a perfect plan that you never follow. Limit yourself to 3 main goals a day. One for health, one for work or studies, and one for your personal life. This keeps your focus sharp and protects you from burnout and constant frustration. Expect obstacles, not perfection. Traffic, messages, or low energy will happen. Plan a backup, a shorter workout, a smaller task, a later time. Flexibility keeps your goals alive when life gets messy. Remember, realistic daily goals are not small dreams. They're solid steps. When you win today, you build trust in yourself. Keep it simple, keep it kind, and let each day move you one step forward.